Hey everybody, Dave from Days of Glory Shopworks here. Haven't done a video in a couple weeks here. Reason being, I had to restructure my garage wall. Well, not restructure it. Apparently when this place was built, I assume the garage is about 25, 30 years old. They decided not to put any anchors in the wall. And since I have a huge shelf that I mounted to the wall, assuming it was anchored, the garage wall's been walking out for the last 2 years, and it finally walked off the footing with probably the high winds and such that we had last week and a half ago now. But had to tear all the sheetrock off, had to jack it up, and anyway, bring the wall back in and anchor it properly. And of course, there's no kill like overkill, so I used more anchors than required by code. Poor car, I just got it set back up again on stands, and I was working away at cleaning the engine bay. And yeah, back out it went in a panic, because at that point in time I hadn't figured out when and how the wall had moved. I wasn't sure if the garage was falling down, so it was kind of full panic mode. And anyway, thanks to Carl, Stan, and John, we got everything rocking and rolling again. The last couple days, Nat and I spent putting the wall back together and doing some organization in the garage. It's still not done yet. We still have a bit of stuff to go, but I can at least breathe easy and get the work happening again. So once I get this last little bit of mess taken care of, then it's back on the car. Poor thing sat outside. I mean, we got a little bit of surface rust again, but we don't have a garage roof sitting on the car, so it's a win. I don't care. Through the summer, I'll have to go through and check the lower halves of the rest of the walls, and I plan on changing my back doors, but if that happens, great. If it doesn't, they still work. So I'm going to leave you at that. This video is just to kind of show you what we did on that. And yeah, we're back in action. So hopefully look forward to seeing more videos coming out faster. Thanks guys. Have a good one.